Now to a report from the ABC15 investigators. A Tucson man electrocuted while installing an air conditioner earlier this year. Now the Crane company responsible is facing thousands of dollars in worker safety fines.
ABC15 investigator Ann Ryman has spent months reporting on how families have been calling for change in the way the state fines companies. And now the state is taking an unusual step in this case of making sure that some of that money will go to the man's family.
35-year-old Dalton Lee leaves behind a wife and children.
He was a huge family man and a father and a wonderful husband.
Michelle Wright is co-founder of Spreading Threads Clothing Bank in Tucson.
I met Dalton a year and a half ago through referral, and I was immediately impressed by him.
She hired Dalton to help her get an AC installed in this building in July.
And in the process of it going down, I think placement-wise, he had put his hand on the crane cable. And what it sounds like is that the crane cable came in contact with the power lines overhead, and he was electrocuted.
His death prompted an investigation by ADOSH, the state's worker safety program. ADOSH this week releasing its findings.
At this time, ADOSH believes that the accident could have been prevented if the crane operator would have followed both OSHA and electrical utility safety precautions.
ADOSH finding the crane cable was too close to electrical lines without taking precautions, such as shutting off the line.
This citation was classified as a willful violation.
A willful citation is the most serious worker safety violation. It's given when an employer knowingly fails to follow safety regulations.
During the course of the investigation, we learned that the crane operator told us right up front that he knew he wasn't supposed to be that close to the line.
But that's not all. A willful citation opens the door to another type of fine under Arizona law.
The Commission has the ability to levy a separate civil penalty of $25,000 payable to the next of kin.
That type of fine has rarely been levied, but it was this week.
It is passed as recommended.
The owner of the crane company declined comment to ABC15. The state has not levied this type of fine, one that goes to the families of workers who die in at least 5 years, possibly longer. The chairman of the Worker Safety Agency says he hopes to work with the state legislature to pass a law to raise that $25,000 fine further. I'm investigator Ann Ryman, ABC15 Arizona.